Good morning. Today we're looking for a particular fractal. This name is Barnsley Fern, a famous mathematical fractal that use random number and the concept called the chaos game to draw a remarkable realistic leaf. In the code very compacted is in the line 50, 52, 58, 59. We import the random library because the entire drawing rely on the chains and the matplotlib point pyplot to actually plot our point on digital canvas. After define for function, for transformation functions, F1, F1, F2, F3, F4. In mathematical, these are called affine transformation. Each one is responsible for drawing a different part of Fern. The function f1 is the EV lifter. It draws the main body and successive smaller leaves. F2 drawn the lifts on the left side. F3 drawn the liftlets on the right side. And 4 just drawing the base stem at the very bottom. In the line is defined, use the function f function where group them together in a list, assign them the probability. This probability we say there is 85% for the function f1, 7% for the function f2, 7% of function f3, 1% for the function f4. After there is the area where define the chaos game. And you see there is the 4 for the main event, the Gauss game. We start the coordinate 0, 0 and loop for 100,000 times. In every single loop, our code roll a weight digital, this using a random choice based on our probability. It picks one of our ground rule, it feeds our current x and y coordinate into the rule, spit our new coordinate, and save them to our point list. Even though the function chosen is random because of the mathematical rule we set up, the dot will always magically snap into shape of a fern, order of out of chaos. Finally, we take 100,000 points and plot using matplot and save the result in the file PDF image. We can see the result of this image is this, and you see is a real plant, very very realistic. We can also run the program, and here the result print. We can implement the same program using the array. This permit to so is what change the import the library numpy for the using array, and but the logic of a program is the same, but clear the program result more take last minor time, so it's possible, for example, to implement the num point 1 million and have the image more with more particular. Okay, this all. Thank you. Bye.